Hey guys, my name is Justin, and today I'm going to try something that I've never tried before, and that is ice fishing. So I have my fishing rod in the back, and I'm going to a local spot that I know, and I'm going to try to catch some rainbow trout maybe. I'll break through the ice. I've never tried this before, so everything's new, and yeah. Okay, so I'm at this spot now. It's just down here. So there's a little creek that flows from a tunnel going under this trail here. So I'm gonna try to fish down there. Looks nice. Okay, so we got to the place now, and now I'm gonna make the hole for the fishing. So it'll be right around here. I'm just gonna try to make something so that I can get my fishing rod in. Okay, so here's how far I've gone so far. I did not know that the ice would be this deep, so I'm still just gonna keep making the hole bigger until I get to the water. But I might have to move a little bit further out here to get to deeper areas if it still is that deep. So I've been digging for a while now, but the ice seems to be really thick here. So I'm gonna move a little bit further out here and try to dig a hole there, because closer to the shore there's thicker ice, so further out it should be a little bit thinner. So I'll try that now. So breaking through the ice wasn't working too well, so I'm gonna try to find a rock now and try to smash through it and see if that works. Okay, so it took a while, but I finally made a hole in the ice, and here it is. Here. So if I move a bit of the slush, you can see that goes right down, and it's pretty deep. The stick can't even touch the bottom here. So this is my fishing rod setup. I have my fishing rod here, and then leads to a bobber, a weight, and then a little lure at the bottom, and I'll see if that works. Okay, so this is the first cast, and we'll see if it works. Okay, everything's under now. Bring it away a little bit. Okay, so I'm just doing a bit of casting now. Trying a couple different places. So I'm on my way back home now. In the end, I didn't end up catching any fish, but it was still an awesome experience. I tried something new, and definitely I'll try it again next time. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.